Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. Today I've just got a quick video for you. I'm going to go through the pricing guesses, the best estimates that we had from people on my recent How to Price a Job video. We'll go through them and see who came closest to what I ended up with. It's coming up next. I don't know what's going on here. We've got veneered boards, pocket hole screws. It's like we've entered a parallel universe. More of that later in another video. Let's talk about this pricing job. I need to adjust my height tonight. There we are. Ooh, that's better. So, pricing a job. Yeah, well done everybody for having a go. Well over 100 responses in the comments and a few others beside. And the range of prices that people have come up with is pretty amazing. At the bottom end, £500 to £600. Whoa, that's kind of optimistic. Come to London, I can keep you busy. If that's all you want. Up to, who was it? Oh, Cuckoo Flukes, subscriber Cuckoo Flukes said 1,500 locally or 85,000 for London. I like your thinking. My friend Tom Kitchen said it should be 6,480 because the shed would have art value. Like your thinking, very good. And Molsky13 just wrote W4 equals 10k. Very, very good. Oh, Scott Campbell. Scott said it should be 3,000 because you could rent it out as a studio flat. I'm pretty sure I've lived in spaces that were smaller than that. So yeah, nobody, obviously the prices that I picked up, they do fluctuate. I hope I explained reasonably well how I arrived at the costs that I did. But I noticed, obviously, I record these videos a couple of weeks in advance, and I've noticed in the last couple of weeks prices have sort of changed on the website links that I gave. So nobody would, I wouldn't expect anybody to get it exactly right. But 2,759 was the price that I came up with, and a few people got 2,750. The first person to do that was Lee Moulding. Well done, Lee. So you are the winner for being closest and first at being closest. But a couple of other people, another Lee Turner, said 2,500 plus 10% contingencies, which brings it to 2,700. Ralph Ramagnano said 2,750 as well. And also my Twitter buddy, Gary Cook, said 2,750 too. So I'll tell you what, Lee, if you want to, my email address is in the show notes in the description. Shoot me an email with your address on and I'll sort out a little prize for you. And if the other guys, Lee Turner, Ralph and Gary as well, shoot me a quick email with your addresses and I'll work out some kind of consolation prize for you. It won't be as grand. Not that the main prize is going to be grand. But that was, I'll sort those out for you in the next few days. So as I say, I wouldn't expect anybody to get this exactly right. Anybody who was guessing or coming in at around 1,100 to 1,200 quid for the materials and contingencies, you're right up there on the money. A few people. Oh, that was the other thing. Yeah, a few people quoted anywhere from a one-day build to do this to up to 7 days. There was a little bit of a clue in the thumbnail on the calculator. It said 1625 was actually 5 days at my 325 a day rate, and only George Prout commented on that. I don't know if any other people saw that, but George was the only person who commented on it. So well done, George. But yeah, good fun. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed seeing your estimates of cost. I hope you enjoyed it doing it too. That's it for this week, really. That's all there is to say. Well done to Lee, and well done to Lee, Ralph and Gary for coming close as well. Shoot me an email. I'll sort something out for you. But that's it for now, and I will see you next time when no prizes will be given at all. See you then. Take care.